Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have our 2012 Hyundai Sonata of the hybrid version. And we're going to go over how you would replace your 12-volt battery. First, you've popped the trunk, you've got it in the back, you need to replace your 12-volt battery. You're going to know that this, on the hybrid version, the 12-volt battery is here in the back. So we're going to pop this cover and pull that away. Then we've got a bolt here and a bolt up top here to be removed. And those are a size 12, and we've got the two number 10s to remove on the battery. So undo the negative, we undo the positive, set that aside. To note, you have a little cable, what do you call it? Overflow tube here that you'll want to remove, and then we have just a sensor here. We're not going to need to worry about fully removing that unless it's going to get in the way when we remove this bracket. We're going to want to pop this off because it's getting in the way of being able to undo that. Okay, so with that moved, now we can take the bolts out and the bracket, and then you can pull and remove the battery out, and that's how you gain access there. And so then you would take a battery, put back in. This is just an example of how you do it. So this is the same battery. Guess it is still good. So we've got that placed back in there. And then be able to, this little tab has got a line up top here. Make sure we put our sensor back on, and then we've got the little overflow tube. We've got our positive, and then tighten that up. Okay, so those are good and tight, and we would just put our cover back on. And then that's how you would change your 12-volt battery on your 2012 Hyundai Sonata. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.